Mohammed,
at
don't
night.
worry. Mohammed, don't worry, man. It is complete flexible. For you, I'll adjust my time. Don't worry.
Bye. See you later.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank
completely
you.
fine. It's absolutely fine. I'll adjust my time. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the gun. No, I'm good.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever you want to do, morning class or we have to wait till Friday then.
It's complete flexible, man. You just tell me. What do you want?
Oh, I'll pin you. I'll ring you. Let's see what happens.
Yeah,
Let's begin whenever you're ready.
yeah, sure, sure.
इंडिया में बाहर कुत्ते बहुत रहते नहीं.
बहुत रहते हैं अरे आपको
I
कैसे पता
don't
चला?
like that.
आपको
जंगली
कैसे
कुत्ते
पता?
रहते हो.
वो तो स्ट्रीट डॉग्स बोलते हैं ना.
Yeah, like wild animal, like wild dog.
Lot of wild dogs.
Why though? They do anything?
No, no, they won't. They won't. They here in the government and also people will not harm to the any animal here. It's a part of life. They will respect the people. Respect the dogs people.
They ever come to your houses inside?
No, 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 no. They won't come. They'll just roam across the streets. That's it.
Oh yeah, that's good. Cause I know they're big ones.
Yeah. So if you visit India, just let me know. We will. I'll come to you and I'll meet you.
No man, I don't think anytime soon.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I don't know. You never know, right? Anything will change in any moment.
Okay. Yeah. Anything? No, we doesn't know, right? What happened next moment?
You never know. Like maybe I have to have a house in India is good. You know. यहाँ क्या होता कि यहाँ की country खतरनाक है.
सच में बोल रहा हूँ इन फ्यूचर ट्रम्प आके और ट्रम्प का जो भी बंदा रहता है उसका जगह पे वो लोग आके पैर पकड़ेगा इधर इंडिया वाला का. सच में ये चीज
Yeah,
लिख के रखो.
that's why I have to have a house there.
You want to
If
house
not,
build
it
in India?
comes.
Just let me know, man.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Shall we start?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll share my screen. Hope just let me know if you're everything. If you can able to see my screen. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's perfect.
One second.
It's about IT career Tricentis.
Yeah, yeah. It's absolutely fine. Okay. Okay, Mohammed, you just keep in mute.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, so please do focus. Don't be distract, and keep Noor away, and just to spare some time only. You can spare 30 minutes time. Then you it will be
No,
very
no.
much. You can able to
They are.
learn very much
They
deep
are.
dive. Okay.
They're just watching TV, but they're being loud.
Yeah, yeah, please. That's okay. That's okay. But you do focus. Do not divert here and there
Yeah, I'm
for having
far away
water
from
and
them.
for urine and all. So you going here and there, restroom and all stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Just I'm requesting you to do focus on top of this. Then you can understand very much better. Otherwise, if you distract, then again it will create a problem and it will we'll be
Yeah, no
confused.
problem. We could
Okay,
start.
that's good. Fantastic. Great, sounds good. And so this is actually Tosca. Whenever you open Tosca, first of all you need to press on Windows key on top of your keypad. Okay, so here you need to search TOSCA Tosca. Whenever you see this, the Tosca commander, the name of Tosca commander, just click on this Tosca commander. That's it. Now you can keep in mute, no problem. So, but be focus. Okay, this is Tricentis Tosca 2025.1. This is the very latest version of the tool. Okay, and you see, this is my project. For suppose I'll open this. Just try to understand. If it is their project already existed, I'll click on the project. But if you don't have a project, you need to create a new project. So I'll tell you one more time. So once you open the Tosca, the first interface you will see like this. It appears like this. Okay.
It's blank. It's blue. Oh,
Yeah,
okay, it's loading.
just it takes time for loading.
So maybe tomorrow in the morning we could download the apps for me, like the ones you told me.
Sounds good. Yeah, definitely.
We could do that. We could have it ready
Yeah,
for Friday night.
yeah, exactly. Just ping me if you are ready. Just ping me, we can
Okay.
connect and we'll do
Yeah,
it.
I'll have the laptop charger. I did charge it today, but
Okay.
I don't think we need it right now.
All right, all right. Okay. So whenever you open the Tosca, you will see this. This is called as interface. Okay. This whatever you see, whatever you can able to see. So like this blue color, this white color, this all page, whatever you can able to see this we can call it as interface. Okay. Interface, this is a technical word of interface. Everybody in every software company, so everywhere they can call it as a interface. Okay, this is called as user graphical interface. That's it. This is just technical word. Okay, for example, if you want to create a, okay, I will close this and I'll open it again.
It's loading or it froze.
Yeah, it's loading. See, can you see this again? So again you need to press here Windows button. After that you just type here TOSCA. Okay, whenever you see Tosca command, just click on it.
So this is they have an app for this. You're saying?
Yeah, this is called as desktop application. This is desktop application, which means we
Ah.
have already installed it.
So I could
So
download it on Windows, huh?
yeah, you could download from Windows, but thing is there is actually process. I will let you know the process how to
So I
download
could
it.
have it on my phone too, right? Apple phone.
No, this will not work. Yesterday I have shown you that there is some specification needed to download this. So you need
Oh,
Windows
okay, okay,
10 and
okay.
11, right? Windows 10 and
Yeah.
11, 64-bit. Okay,
Uh huh.
that should contain 16 GB RAM.
Because
Okay.
there's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah, these are all prerequisites.
Applications.
Yeah, these are all prerequisites. Prerequisite in the sense this is a basic. Okay. All right. So yeah, so after once you open, you can able to see like this. If you see like this, so if already, just be concentrate, already you have a project ready, so then you just directly click on this, but initially it won't show anything. You just create a new project here. Whenever you open, once you install the Tosca, after installing the Tosca, so you'll once you open this, immediately you are able to see these two. Okay, so these are all whatever the added advanced examples, next IT project 1, Lokesh Tosca project, these are all actually already created projects. Clear? But whenever you immediately, so after installation of your Tosca in your laptop, so whenever you click on that Tosca commander, okay, whenever you click on this Tosca commander, it will open this page. Okay, on top of this page, if you want to create a new project, simply click on create new. Okay, you just need to create a new, you just click on create new, that's fine. So then after that you could see this, right? Configure workspace. This is a workspace. Okay, workspace in the sense it is a place where your project is gonna store. Understood? So you are
Yes.
creating a project, so there are different types of repositories. Are what is repository? Repository is nothing but the place you store your project, your workspace. Example, you are working somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Okay, or else we can take one more example. इन हाउस अलमारा लेता है ना, अलमारा अलमारा बोलते हैं, और उसको बीरवा बोलते हैं, और उसको
Yeah.
कुछ भी लॉकर बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में लॉकर बोलते हैं ना. So you just
Yes.
this is a kind of locker. You are putting your money or your dresses, like that. So which means repository is nothing but is the place where you gonna work. Okay, where you gonna work. In this also, if you click on this, click in the sense, if you click on this drop down, there are SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server and DB2. These are all databases. Understood? These are all databases.
Yes.
SQLite is for practice purpose. SQLite, sequential query lite. This is for practice purpose. Okay. Oracle this is a big database. Oracle database. MS means Microsoft service. MS SQL server. This is Microsoft related server. And this is one more is DB2. So these are all official databases. But if you want to connect this, you should have an account in the Oracle, MS SQL server and DB2. You should have a license for this. But as we are actually doing the practice, you don't need to select all these two are practice purpose. Okay, clear? Okay.
Yes.
So if this SQLite is for multi-user, for suppose we are both are working in a same project, clear? For suppose you and me. Okay, one second, one of my friend is also going to join.
Yeah, no problem.
So with your permission. Okay, yeah, you can see this, right? I hope you can see
Yes.
screen. So this is what I'm saying. In this repository, we'll have all these options. Whenever you are working for the company, this DB2, MS SQL, Oracle will be there. Clear? So these are all databases where you store your data. Okay, in the projects, Oracle, MS SQL and DB2 will be there. So this SQLite and none in the sense, this is actually create the single user workspace. Single user in the sense, in your project, for suppose you have joined in an organization. Okay, that is very small scale organization. If that is a small scale organization, there you are only one tester will be there. Okay, so no, you don't have any team, you don't have any big team, you are only one person there to work on top of this TOSCA. Okay, to work on top of one project, you are handling only one project alone, which means, so for only one person to handle this, you need to select this. Okay, create a single user workspace. I will take this. Okay, just click on this. Okay, single user workspace, no multi people. Okay, so let me take one more example. So yeah, Microsoft. Let me open this. If I am going very fast, or if you could not able to understand, please stop me anywhere, no problem. You can ask me the cross questions, no doubt.
Oh,
Okay, don't be
okay, no
hesitate
problem.
to ask me anything. All right, so let this open. Yeah, it is open. That's fine, no problem. Okay, so let me keep this. Okay, So no rush, right? So let us go, let us learn this very slow. Okay, suppose what we are talking about, we are talking about single user workspace. Okay, suppose first of all, did you understood about this repository?
A little bit.
A little bit. So I'll tell you, first of all, let us learn about repository. I will explain you about repository. Okay, so no rush. While learning you should not be rush. Okay, to getting the job you should be rush. Let's try to understand about repository. Okay, repository. What is repository? Repository is nothing but it's a storage space. Let me keep charge my laptop. Okay, repository is nothing but the place where you store the data. Okay, repository is nothing but, for suppose this is one repository. Okay, for suppose you are as a tester. Okay, you are as a tester, you are working on a one laptop for suppose, which means one project. Okay, or you can just consider this is a system, you are working somewhere. So if you are working, the data will be generated, right? Always you are working in the sense you are going to add something, which means the data continuously adding, right? So where this will store, this should store somewhere. Okay, the storage called as repository. Clear?
Yes.
So in this also, in this repository also we have types. Okay, how many types are there? One, Oracle. Another one is MS SQL. Okay, the next one is DB2, right? So these are all types of databases we have. So this is a one kind of repository, and this is one more repository, and this is one more repository. And also we have none also. We have one more, two different types of are there. One is none for single user. Okay, the another one is, what is that? SQLite. Okay, these two are for practice purpose. Okay, in real time we don't use these two. In real time we don't use these two. So in real time, in projects we will use Oracle, MS SQL, or most probably we'll use MS SQL or Oracle. So depends upon the client. Understood?
So we do use Oracle.
Yeah, it's not sure actually. It might be your Oracle, it might be MS SQL, it might be DB2. It's completely based on the client. Depends on the client.
But I don't need to learn about that, right? Or do I?
You don't need to do anything. Just you need to select it. That's it.
Oh, okay, got you.
Okay. While you are creating a workspace, this is all about only one time setup. Okay, while
Got
you
it.
are creating, I am saying you must need to know, while you are creating a project, you just need to understand
Oh, okay.
what
You
are all the
select one of
stuff.
these.
Yeah.
Got you, got you.
Example, now in the options itself, no, single user is there. So you need to understand what is single user. Okay, clear? There are different types of none or single user workspace is there. What is single user workspace? Okay, so I'll tell you. This is your project for suppose. Okay, or your company. Okay, so you are here. This is Mohammed. Okay, he want to work. You just understand this is a laptop. Try to understand this is a laptop. This is a table. So you are working here. Okay, so here in the project, in your project, no testers are there, only one tester. Okay, one tester, which is Mohammed. Okay, Mohammed is only
Yes.
working as a tester in your project. This is a project. Okay, So then what you will do is, Mohammed going to choose, he is only one tester, he don't have any team, there is no need any other team, no team members, he is only alone, he need to work lonely, he has to work on top of this project. So what happens is, so he has to select a single user. Okay, so this means single user. I will tell you about multi-user. Okay, what is multi-user? Suppose this is a project. Okay, this is a project, he is a Mohammed. Okay, Mohammed have access on this laptop or system. Okay, so for project name is for example TCS, you are doing TCS project, Tata project. Okay, Mohammed got access. Okay, and also along with the Mohammed, remaining you can say more 2 people are there. Okay, so he is also one more guy, his name is Srikanth for suppose. Clear? And one more guy is there, which means 3 people are working on top of one project. Clear? 3 people are working on top of one project, his name is Lokesh. So in this project TCS project, so how many people are there? Here Mohammed is one guy. Okay, and Srikanth is one guy, Lokesh is one guy. How many testers are there here? Tester 1, tester 2 and tester 3. 3 testers are there. You understood now?
Yes.
So if these 3 testers want to use one workspace, here one workspace is only here, right? Okay, so this is one workspace or one repository. Okay, in this case what we have chose MS SQL, we have chosen. We chose MS SQL. What is MS SQL? MS means Microsoft. SQL means a sequential query language. This is a database. Just imagine this is a database. Okay, these 3 guys need to use this database. Understood? If they want to use this database, okay, these 3 guys want to use this database, first of all he has to log in. Okay, he is actually login. He has to log in this so and so TCS project. He is trying to work. Okay, while he is working, Srikanth also want to join. Okay, he want to work. Again Lokesh want to join. He has to work. Okay, so what happens is, why if they want to only one project, there is only one project but 3 people are there. Correct? For suppose now Mohammed has joined and he is trying to work. Again Srikanth joined and he is also trying to work on so and so test cases. And Lokesh also want to join and again he want to use test cases. Okay, 3 people are multi-testers are there. Okay, multi-testers can use MS SQL database, okay, Oracle database and DB2 database. Okay, how many are there? MS SQL, Oracle, DB2. 3 databases are there. So anyone you choose, for your project you chose MS SQL, not Oracle and DB. Clear? You choose MS SQL.
Yes.
Mohammed is working on MS SQL. Srikanth is working on MS SQL. Lokesh is working on MS SQL at a time. Okay. At the time, if you have a multiple testers, if you have in your project, then at the time you need to choose this MS SQL. Okay. But according to this, none. Create a single workspace means only one guy will work. You understood? This is called a single workspace.
Understand.
Single workspace. Clear? And this is we can call it as multi workspace. Okay, so on top of this MS SQL, multiple people are working, right? So if you choose MS SQL, So many people can able to work on top of this place, this repository. Understood? I hope this is clear. Okay, single workspace in the sense only one person will work, and remaining will, example, SQLite is actually for practice purpose only. It's act as a multi workspace. You understood now? SQLite is a replica of a MS SQL server. This is a dummy server. It is not this will store only in your local system. This is not a server. Understood? But it is a replica. It is a replica of MS SQL. It is a replica of Oracle. It is a replica of DB2. The same kind of, same kind of example you have, already AWS, right? So while you are creating AWS instances, so you will feel that, so it's like your local system, correct? Which means virtual DB. So how you feel you got in that AWS also, here this Oracle and MS SQL DB2, whatever the original databases are there. So if you choose MS SQLite also will be similar. So same kind of features will be there in SQLite. This is for practice purpose. To practice multi-user, so they have created SQLite. Okay, but if you choose, for example, I am going to choose this MS SQL. So what it is asking? Okay, it is asking to connect the string. Can you see this? You need to have a database, you need to have a user ID, you need to have a password. We don't have that because we are not connecting with any original database, correct? We don't have all these passwords, we don't have this server, correct? So that is the reason, so we can't select this. That is the reason we are going to choose SQLite. If you choose SQLite also, if you choose SQLite, you will get multiple workspace. If you choose the single user workspace, you will get single workspace. For suppose I am going to choose single user workspace so far. Okay, Mohammed.
Yeah,
So
I'm here.
you can hear, right? So if you now, so far, so now I am going to choose only single user workspace. So far you need to understand what is how it look like, right? So if you want to choose, you just choose this single workspace. First I am going to choose single workspace, and I would like to show you how the appearance interface. Okay, so let me choose the single workspace. Only one person can able to work on top of this workspace, which means repository. Okay, so whenever you choose this, you can see this create a new workspace. This is actually the path in the C drive. In your local system C drive, there is actually project startup TOSCA projects. It is automatically created while you are installing your TOSCA. Automatically this path will be created. Okay, in the same path, whatever you are trying to create the workspace, the database will be stored in this path. You understood? That is the meaning of this. Okay,
Yes.
next you need to name it. Okay, Mohammed project. Mohammed project, this is the project name. Okay, Mohammed single user project. I'll keep like this, single user. Okay, this is single user project. That's it. And one more thing, you could see this checkbox, right? Yesterday I have told you. So what is the meaning of these boxes? Yesterday I have shown you. So these boxes, this is called as checkbox. I have shown you that yesterday, right? I have explained you everything, all these things. This is hypertext, this is text box, this is button, these are all drop downs, this is radio button, this is checkbox. Okay, if you choose this checkbox, what happens is, I'll tell you this. What does it mean? So this means, for suppose you bought some mobile. Okay, use workspace template means, suppose you bought one mobile. Okay, I will also explain that very easily. What is the meaning of it? Use workspace template. Okay, workspace template. Let me write it down here. Stop me anywhere if you don't understand, please.
Sure.
Workspace template. In the TOSCA, workspace template means, for suppose you bought a mobile phone, for suppose. Okay, so when you bought mobile phone, automatically you will get some default apps, right? when you buy
Yes.
a mobile phone, you will get some default apps.
Yeah, you gotta select them.
Yeah, in laptop also. In laptop also, you will get a Windows Word. Okay, Word, PPT, and Excel. So all calculator also, calculator. So all these along with the operating system, you will get a Word, PPT, Excel, all this stuff. Okay, so which means these are all default apps. Okay, default application in the mobile itself, iPhone.
Correct.
In the iPhone itself, you will get some more default applications, right?
Yeah.
Same way in the Tosca also. If you check this, they will give you standard modules. Okay, they will give you some default standard modules. Okay, just keep in that. Okay, if I don't check this, it will be empty. If I check this, they will provide you some standard modules, some. So far you just need to understand that this is kind of one app. That's it for understanding. Okay, just simply okay, just click on that. Okay, it is creating, the workspace is creating.
Oh, so there's a whole application for it.
Yeah, so this is actually interface is, you can able to see the interface.
Okay, it's blank.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
it
it's
will be
loading.
blank, sometimes it will take some time. So you could see, right? See, this is a blank. Okay, because you did not created any workspaces. This is completely new. This is a brand new workspace. You see here Tosca command, this is called as a title. Okay, this is a title. It's okay, this is called as this is a name, Tosca commander Mohammed single user works user project. In front of you I have given a name, right? Okay, so where it has stored
Yes.
C drive, Tosca projects, Tosca workspace. This is again name, and this is a single user workspace dot TWS. What is extension of TWS? TWS is nothing but Tosca workspace. Okay,
Okay.
so this is, we can call it as a title. It's a title of the project. Clear? So we have talked about just checkbox, right? Workspace template checkbox, right? This
Okay.
checkbox. So you see here modules. In this modules, you could see this, right? Tosca automation
Yeah.
tools, basic Windows operation, engines, XML, okay, JSON file, HTML file, okay, HTML module. Okay, these are all actually you will get by default whenever you choose this checkbox. If you don't choose this checkbox, you won't get all this. You won't get all these standard modules. The standard modules, you won't get this standard module, but Tosca is recommend to use this. That's it. Whatever it is available, default standard modules, just simple utilize it. But if you don't check there while you are creating a project, if you don't check this box, you won't get these. That's it, nothing else. Understood?
Yeah.
So this is called as single user workspace. This complete workspace, whatever this workspace you could see. So this we can call it as a workspace. In this workspace, you can call this as a single user workspace. Why? Because you can you see all this stuff in the home itself? Check in all, check out all, checkout tree. These are all hidden, right? You could not able to see this. These are all hidden, right?
Yes.
So these are hidden, but I'll close this and I will open multi-user workspace. Okay, just closed. So for suppose I will open this next to project 1. Okay, let me open it again. Tosca commander, TOSCA Tosca, and commander, simple. Understood? So it's opened. Can you see this? I'm just going to
Yes.
open next IT project 1, so which is already created, multi-user. Okay, so I'm keeping the I kept password. Okay, just I'm to show you. I'm just showing you. Okay. Okay. So can you see here? Home page. Just click on this home. You can see check in all, check out tree. So these are all not hidden. Understood? These are all
Yes.
not hidden means these are all actually kind of doors. Just imagine. So your house is there. There are doors, right? Whenever you want to go inside, you just open the door. Okay. Whenever you want to go out, you will close the door. Same like project also. So for suppose these are all test cases. Okay. You just imagine this is a test case. Okay. If I want to utilize this, okay, if I want to utilize this, I just need to check out. Okay, for suppose let me open here. For suppose this is a one test case. Okay, I just want to let me update this also. Okay, so these are all modules are there, right? For suppose I'll use this module. So can you see here, you could not able to see any kind of scan. Okay, you could not see any kind of scan here, right? Scan, there is no option scan,
Yeah.
right? So here if you select this, okay, if you select this, go to home. So it checkout, simple checkout. Okay, you could see other color also, green color. You see green color means you are working on top of this module. Mohammed is working on top of this module. For suppose here Srikanth is there. One second. At the same time, whenever Mohammed logged in, same project, Srikanth also got logged into the same project. Then Srikanth could able to utilize this. Srikanth could not able to on top of this module. Why? Because this module is already engaged with Mohammed. For Mohammed it is showing green color. For Srikanth it will show red color. Clear? Because he already occupied this on top of this test case, other people cannot able to use. That is the purpose of checkout. Clear? Whenever you check out, Mohammed, very much clear about it. You are actually holding this. Instead, you are somewhere you just worked in this. Okay, but all of a sudden somebody came and disturbed. It doesn't mean, right? Okay. One module, one test case, other people should not come and disturb. Okay, I'll give you one more example. So for suppose this is a test case. Okay, I have created one test case. I'll give you one more example. This. So we are talking about what we are talking about. We are talking about this. This checkout. We are talking about checkout. I know you like green color, that's why I'm using it. I also like it because my favorite color. Okay, so checkout. What is checkout? For suppose this is a project. This is a TCS project. Okay, this is a TCS project. He is actually Mohammed. Mohammed has two hands and he is holding laptop. Okay, now he is working on so and so test case. This is one test case for suppose. This test case name is login. Okay, Mohammed, what happened is Mohammed actually checked in. Okay, now he checked in. Okay, let me talk about checkout. He checkout. Checkout means enter. Clear? Checkout means enter. Okay, you enter into this login test case. Now this is a Srikanth. Okay, he is a Srikanth. His name is Srikanth. This guy also want to try to utilize the same test case. Okay, he will try. Already you checked. Mohammed already checked in this test case, login test case. Now Srikanth also want to use this. Okay, for suppose if there is a eligibility to use, what happens is already Mohammed created something. Okay, he scanned and he created one test case, but again Srikanth will come and will do override. Okay, what happens? Whatever he has done, so all will be override by others. This should not happen, right? Definitely this should not happen. Okay, already some guy working on top of this test case, others should not come and should not disturb. So that is the reason this Srikanth actually came. Now you just need to understand, Srikanth came. Okay, Srikanth, whenever Srikanth see this test case, login test case, it will appear red color. Okay, others can able to see as red color. Okay, so this test case, others Srikanth could see red color. Okay, but whoever checked out, they can see green color. If you are really doubt about it, I will show you. See this, can you see this module? Which color it is showing? Green color. Those who can able to see this green color, they checked in, which means they are working on top of this test cases. Okay, if they want to work on particular test case or module, they need to check out. If without check out, others can able to come and other can able to reserve it. Understood? What is a checkout tree? There are big module. Okay, actually there are a lot of modules are there. You want to hold this, you want to utilize entire thing. Okay, you just click on checkout tree. You can see all green color. Can you see? All green color. Yeah, this green color means Mohammed holded entire modules. Nobody can. Others, example, Srikanth can able to see this all red color. That means somebody is working. He can understand that, oh, okay, Mohammed is working maybe. So I don't want to touch this. This is indication. You understood? That is a purpose. That is a difference between multi-user and single user. Single user, we don't have this. Okay, multi-user, it will be there. This is a kind of door for the test cases. Understood? This is a kind of entrance. This is a kind of indication. This green color means somebody is working. If it shows red color, then for Srikanth it will show red color. For Mohammed it will show green color. You understood?
Yes.
Okay. So for that, if you want to use single module, you can use checkout. If you want to use entirely, you want to block all, you just need to use checkout tree. It's a kind of tree. Lot of branches are there. This is a one kind of main branch. Under subfolders are there, right? Folder inside a folder, folder inside a folder, folder inside a folder. Everything you blocked, which means by clicking on checkout tree, it is completely blocked. Okay. For example, I just want to come out from this. Okay. If you want to come out from this, you just need to click on check in all. See, it's gone. Right? Which means it is open to everybody. Now Srikanth can able to come and he can able to hold this. He can able to work on top of this. That is the difference between checkout and checkout tree. Checkout means single module. Checkout tree means multi-module. So if you want to click on this checkout tree, it will be you holded everything. You holded everything. Others cannot come and others cannot able to work on top of this. Okay, checkout tree means it is holding all the modules. Only checkout means for single. For example, this is I'll check in all. I'll show you again. Okay, I just want to click on this. Just simply checkout, which means Mohammed is only working on this module. Remaining all are open. Remaining all are open. Others can able to come and work on top of this. Understood? Okay. Now check in all. With check in all means it is going. So it is open to everybody. So everybody can able to come and utilize this modules. That is a purpose. Okay. Multi-user means these will be open. Okay. Single user means this will be hidden. That's it. Single user means you only one. Nobody will come and disturb you. You only work on top of this. That is the reason it will be hidden. Mohammed, I am shouting. Are you able to understood?
Yeah, I'm here. I just muted you.
So you understood, right?
Yeah.
I explained very deep. Okay. So that is the purpose. That is the difference between single user and multi-user. To letting you know, to make you to understand So I have drawn these two different diagrams. One is single user and one is multi-user. Okay, this is a single user, okay, and this is a multi-user. Multi-user means multiple people can able to work on top of that workspace. Single user means single person can able to work on particular workspace. If single user will be there,